Investors at the ULI Fall meeting in Chicago say there are plenty of reasons to be optimistic about the global real estate market today. A positive economic outlook and improving business confidence are encouraging more capital to flow into commercial real estate. Jones Lang LaSalle predicts global sales volumes in 2014 could near the market peak.
We're expecting it to be even stronger than it has been in 2013, about 10% higher, around $550 billion for 2014. And really this is because of the structural changes that are going on in the investment markets around the world. So we've seen the cyclical recovery from '07 and then the depths of '08 and '09, but now we're seeing a lot more global capital putting itself towards direct commercial real estate. And this is having a really profound effect on how buildings are transacting, but also the players that are becoming involved in commercial real estate around the world.
Steve Collins says turmoil in other parts of the world is strengthening the prospects for U.S. investment property.
Well, you know, part of the reasons the international investors are looking in the U.S. and actually all of the Americas, it is the land of opportunity. And I say that because if you open the newspaper and see what's going on around the rest of the world, there's a little bit of turmoil in some region or another. So the U.S. is becoming very attractive because there's so many different choices in product type, city type.
Experts predict rising confidence to push investors outside of their backyards and into secondary markets. The Eurozone has recently emerged from the longest recession on record. Investors are optimistic that recovery could extend into the fringe economies in Europe.
The economy is improving, slowly but steadily, and so we want to increase our stance here, especially in the office area.
Asia is also drawing investor interest. Jones Lang LaSalle revised its full-year transaction volume prediction up to $120 billion for the region in 2013. Green Morgan points to growth in Japan as a key driver for the region.
Well, Asia's had a great year in 2013, and it's really on the back of the resurgence of the Japanese economy. Everyone's heard of Abenomics and all the monetary and the fiscal changes that they've brought in Japan, as well as some of the more important, actually, structural changes that they need to make to the Japanese economy and the way they work there. But that's really picked up sentiment in Japan. We've seen $10+ billion for the first 2 quarters, and without that, volumes in Asia Pacific would be more or less flat for the year. So Japan has really helped push the Asian region forward pretty strongly in 2013, and we expect it to continue going into 2014 as well.
While economic hurdles do exist, investors here at ULI say 2014 should be an even stronger year for global investment.